Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you something I found on Facebook on my iPhone XS Max, and it's a heart and it shows halfway through or 3/4. I'm going to take you in and show you what I'm talking about, and it's something to do with dating on Facebook. So I want to check this out. I thought I would check it out with you, so stay tuned for this video. Okay, you want to sign into your phone, and then you want to go find your Facebook app. So mine's right here. And then once inside, you want to go down and click the far right bottom with the 3 lines. You see where the arrow is right now. Click it. And then you want to go up and view my profile. So let's click on my profile. And then you notice at the top right corner there's a heart, and it's kind of darky, cloudy, halfway, and then it's got a load of white in there. You would just want to click on the heart where the arrow is. Click, left click, and in here it says, "Welcome, Stephen, a dedicated dating space for you. We don't share things like your dating profile or conversations to other places on Facebook." So let's get started. So you're going to go down to the bottom and click Get Started. So click Get Started. Facebook won't share your dating profile with your current Facebook friends. If you become friends with a suggested match or someone who messages you, your dating profile will be shared with them. So at the bottom you want to click Next. Okay, so this is a dating site on Facebook. Who to know, eh? So anyways, I am a man, so I'm going to click man, and I like to meet a woman, so let's go there. I go down and you click Next at the bottom there. And your dating location. Uses location services to set your dating location and suggested people near you, but doesn't automatically update your dating location. Your dating location is always visible on your dating profile and can be changed in your dating preferences. Okay, so mine says Harwood, Ontario. I don't live in Harwood, Ontario, but I'm just going to go with it. So let's click Next. What's a good photo of you? It's the one other people in dating will see first. You can use your current Facebook profile photo or choose another one. I'm not going to change the photo. I'm just going to go with it. So I'm going to click Next. Okay, so confirm your info. Stephen 49, Harwood, Ontario. Yeah, we're using that. How is my info used in dating? Your dating profile is visible to anyone in dating. Your first name, age, and photos are always visible on your dating profile. How is my dating profile different from my Facebook profile? Changes to your dating profile don't affect your Facebook profile. When you delete a photo elsewhere on Facebook, it won't change here. And when you date a photo from dating, it remains in any other place you shared. What am I agreeing to? By tapping confirm, you agree to the terms creating a dating profile, and the information above is correct. So you want to click on confirm. Okay, so complete your profile. Done. Preview. This information in your dating profile helps you suggest matches. Okay, so I'm not going to fill all this in right now, but you can add other pictures. You can write a description about yourself, what you're looking for. Visible on your dating profile, you can get up 500 different words there, and you can click save. There's your name, there's your age, your gender is male, hometown prefer to say, you can say or not say, children, religion, height, job, company, high school, college, graduate. I'm just going to go up to the top right here, and I'm going to click preview. Okay, so there you go. Dating profile. Stephen 49, dating location, Harwood, Ontario. Going to click done. And we're in here, and you can tap to see more or pass. 0 suggested matches, 4 events, see matches in your groups, 30 suggested matches, 110 groups. So if you click on one, there you go. Barb 54, I'm not sure what to write. I like life. I find lots of things funny. I enjoy a great conversation in business and save and the world around me. I'm a large woman. Active but larger. Okay, so there it is. That's how easy it is to come in here and set up a profile. Just go up to the top right and click those two little lines with circles in it where the arrow is, and then you can come in here and you can change your dating profile stuff. All right, and then we're going to go back. This stuff should be showing up here. Facebook is having a problem today in our country, and a lot of stuff is not showing up on Facebook. So I just wanted to bring you in here, show you what it's all about and how to set it up, how you get moving on this if this is something you want to do. I'm not sure if I want to do this. I just wanted to show you how to do it. Okay, before we leave here, I want to take you back in and show you the profile I made. And Facebook is working now, so all the pictures are showing, and so I just wanted to give you a brief look at what it looks like, a preview. So we're just going to go in and go under here and go under my wall and up top right. Also, you see the heart on the top right, but if you look down towards the bottom, it's on the left side of the bell as well. So you can click either one. I would click the top. And here we are in here. And it says, who are you interested in seeing? You can set preferences. I haven't done that yet. Dating profile. If you create a dating profile, you will click up on the left hand side under dating profile. And then this just gives you, you can come in here and change things. You can add photos. You can add questions. You can fill a description in. I had a description, I guess I didn't save it. And then different things here as well. You go to the top right and you click on preview, and this is what it gives you. I am filled in too much because I'm going to delete this. So I'm not really looking to have a profile on here. But I just wanted to just show you what this looks like, or what it could look like for you if you want to get a dating profile going on Facebook. Okay, and then we're back out of here. We're going to click done on the top left. You can click on like you in the center. Nobody liked me right now because I haven't been on here that long. So those people will land there. Click the arrow at the top left. And then conversations. Well, you can click conversations, but there's no conversations going on right now because I had just filled that out. And so we're back out of there. Secret. You can add a secret crush. Match with Facebook friends and dating. and then set preferences. You can click set preferences, and you can come in here and change privacy settings, notifications, pause, matches. You can delete profile. You can go age range from 41 to 57. Children open to any. You can change that. Height. Put a preference of height in there. Girl should be at least 5'4". To about 5'10". You can change it to whatever you prefer. And you can click on interested in women. And then you can put in the distance. You can just put your finger on there and slide that back and forth. How far you want them to, so you can view these people. Put 85, 84. And save. And then top left, click the little arrow. And then you put your preferences in there. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that very quickly. Have some fun with this if this is something you want to do. If you're married on Facebook, I understand that you will not see the dating heart on your profile up on the right hand side or down beside the bell. You will not see that if you're married on Facebook. But if you're single, you will see that. And if you want to have some fun and meet some people, then you can click on that and create a profile. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification. And any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified. And you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down on the right side and make sure the lines are above the bell to get notified of new videos coming out, and click above to watch the latest vid.